Hello kids, welcome back to the class. We are in chapter number 2, numbers up to 20. I hope you have seen the last video and you are clear with the numbers from 1 to 10 and the number names from 0 to 10, right? Good. In this video we are going to see about before, after and in between numbers. Before, after, in between numbers. So we are going to use only from 0 to 10. So be clear with that. If not, go and see that and learn again and come back. Then only you can understand what comes before, what comes after, what comes in between. Okay. So first is we'll see numbers from 1 to 10. We'll do the recall by doing some exercise. Okay. Here is the some stars are given. They are going to count the stars and match the following. So count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where is 5 here? Here. Good. Yes, we have marked the first one right. Second one. Second balloon have 1, 2, 3 stars. Where is 3 here? Yes. So mark this. Match this. Yes, 3 balloons is connected with the 3. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 stars in here and the number 6 is there. 6 stars. So it's matched with the 6. And the next balloon have 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. Yes, very good. 4 stars is matched with the 4. And finally we have 1, 2 and here also 2 is left. So match that too. Yeah, so 5 stars is matched with the 5. 3 stars is matched with the 3. 6 stars is matched with the 6. 4 stars is matched with the 4. And finally 2 stars is matched with the 2. Easy, right? Okay. Shall we do the same counting and how can we relate with the EVS? EVS is telling us to eat healthy foods and we have to avoid the junk food. So healthy food means obviously fruits are more important in our diet, right? So here are some fruits. We are going to count and match it. 1, 2, 3 apples. Orange. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. 1 pears. 1, 2 plums. Wow, it's actually very easy, right? We know to count and we know the numbers. And it's actually fun to do with the matching the numbers, right? Good. Now we'll go for we finished with the recall. Now we'll go for the concept before, after and in between numbers. The before number is a number that comes just before the actual number. So one number will be given, just before number is called the before number. If not, we have to subtract 1 from that number. Before number means we have to count backwards or we have to subtract 1. Okay, we have to count backwards 1 or subtract 1. So if the before number is 9, find the before number of 9. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So before number of 9, go backwards 9. 8. So 9 minus 1, 8. So after number means same like that. Just after number, that is adding 1 or forward counting. So for the same 9, we are going to find the after number. So after number means plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. So forward counting after 9, 10. Okay, you can use it as forward counting, backward counting, or subtract 1, adding 1. Before number means subtract 1, after number means add 1. in between. The between number means which number comes a middle of the given number. Two numbers will be given and the center number we have to find. Okay, so it may be obtained by adding. You can add 1 with the first number or subtract 1 with the last number, because two number will be given for between numbers. So you can add 1 with the first number or subtract 1 with the second number to find the middle number. Like here, find the between number of 4-6. So 4, 5, 6. So 5 is the middle number. That is the between number of 4 and 6. Clear? Before number, after number, between number. This is what we are going to apply in the problem. And the problem we get only the questions from 0 to 10. Okay, only 0 to 10 numbers. I hope you are clear with the numbers and the number names up to 10. Right? Okay, let's see how we are going to solve it. So here we are going to find the before number and after number. One number is given. For that number we will find the before number, after number. For 8 is given, we have to find before number 7 and after number 9. So first question we have 5. So before 5, backward counting, 5, 4. After means backward counting. Sorry, after means forward counting, 5, 6. So before, backward counting, after, forward counting. So before, backward counting, 3, 2. After means forward counting, after 3, 4. Next number is 8. So before 7, 6. Before number of 7 is 6. After number of 7, after 7, 8. 6 is there. So before 6, 5. After 6, 7. 2 is here. Before 2, 1. After 2, 3. Good. Here 9 is there. Before 9, 8. After 9, 10. Very good. Last question. We are in last question. The number is 4. Before 4, 3. After 4, 5. Okay, if you are feeling difficulty, you can write the whole number, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in a single line. So from the given number you can mark under C, which will come before, which will come after. Okay, that will be very easy compared to this. If not, understand the thing. So here comes the problem for between number. Two numbers are given, we have to find the middle number. 2-4. 2, 3, 4. So 3 is the middle number. 7, 8, 9. So we can just continue reading the number, you will get the answer easily. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 8. 4-6. 4, 5, 6. 8-10. 8, 9, 10. 5-7. 5, 6, 7. Easy, right? You can start counting from the first number. That will be very easy. Otherwise, see the two numbers and think which number will come. And as I said the previous one, you can write the number, circle the number which is needed, you can find before, after, right? Same like that, you write like this and search for that between number also. 2, 4 is there. So in between which number will come, that you can identify with the writing in a single line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then from that you can find the answer. So I have given some problems. So you also try your own, try in from your textbook or from other source. So up to 1 to 10 only. So you can frame as much as possible of before number, after number and between number. So do some practice and be clear with the concept. We'll meet you in the next class. Okay, thank you.